Hi guys, it's me, Ivy. This is my cover, um, Hey Soul Sister by Trey. And I hope you like it. Hey, 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 your lipstick stains on the front part of my left side frame. I know I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I know when we collided, you're the one I have decided was one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move in fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't want to miss a single thing you do. Tonight when you came kinda rough, watching you is the only drug I need. So gangster, I'm so thug, you're the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can be. I want the world to